Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head YouTube channel. Now if you're looking to buy the best dash cam on the market, then this is the video for you, because VANTRUE have sent me their Nexus N4 Pro dash cam to give an 11 out of 10 review. So if you're looking for one for your car, your van, even your minibus, maybe camper or even truck, then this is the video that you want to watch, because VANTRUE make absolutely cracking dash cams. They're one of the leaders on the market, and for good reason, because this has got the Sony chip inside it. That means it's going to run really smoothly and really nice. The front camera is a 4K HDR for great quality. It's got a 1080p rear camera, but the best bit, it's got a 1080p in-cab, in-vehicle camera. That means that if you're in an accident, because dash cams are vital to make sure that you've got the evidence that you need with all those bad drivers on the road, you need that evidence to prove it wasn't your fault. This will do that, because if you get hit in the rear, it's got it. If you end up having an accident in the front, someone pulls out in front of you on a roundabout or a junction, it's got it. But if you are hit and you're chucked around inside your vehicle and you do get an injury, you've got that in-vehicle footage as well. So let's give this the full unboxing, full installation, and then the real world test, and see exactly how great the VANTRUE dash cam is. So let's cue the intro. Let's start with the great unboxing. The packaging feels good, premium quality and well printed. On opening up the box, you will see this do and don't wiring diagram. The first package I open is the rear camera. This looks and feels really good quality, nice and small and discreet. The next package I open is the main Nexus N4 Pro, and this instantly feels amazing quality, good, solid, with a nice weight to it. You have a selection of menu buttons that look easy to press. You can see two quality cameras, one to face inside the cabin and the other nice round big 4K to capture your forward facing footage. The box to the left contains all of your accessories for fitting. This includes two spare camera sticky pads, also your main windscreen mount. This is magnetic, what means that you can remove and put back on your dash cam nice and easily. The power cable has a very nice long lead. Next, under the bottom of the box, you will find your rear camera lead. This is really long and should fit any size car, van or even camper. You also get a data cable so you can transfer all of your footage. The user manual and installation guide is really well printed and super easy to follow. Then last in the box are these two alcohol wipes, two screen protectors and a sticker to let everybody know that you're protected. And that's everything you'll find in the box. So now it's time to move on to installation. First, take your alcohol wipe, clean the area where you'd like to stick your Nexus N4 Pro. Next, take your windscreen protector, simply peel it back. This is designed for when you want to remove the item, you can just peel it away nice and easy. Once you've selected the right location, simply put this on, making sure you've removed all the air bubbles. For where you'd like the rear camera to go, simply repeat this process. Use the alcohol wipe to clean the area, then take your screen protector and put this reasonably high and central in your back window. Take your rear camera, remove the protective film over the sticker, stick it into place with a nice, firm, solid press. The camera can be swiveled up or down to adjust it later. Now plug in your cable. Now take your main windscreen mount and put it on your N4 Pro camera. Remove your protective film off your sticker and again firmly put it into place, trying to make sure that you put it on nice and level. The mount can swivel, so it can be slightly adjusted later. Take your power cable and plug it into your cigarette lighter. Now it's time to start tidying all of your wires. Your power cable I hide underneath the carpet, and with the rest of the power cable plus the cable you get from the rear camera, simply hide it behind the trim. You are provided with a trim tool that makes it super easy just to tuck the cable in. making it a really nice and neat installation. Now simply plug your cables in, making sure that you plug your rear camera into the top left and your power into the right, and your N4 Pro will power straight up. The first thing you need to do is set your language, your time and your date. This is really easy to do using the buttons just underneath the camera that are clearly labelled. Next, it's time to insert your SD card. This is done via the flap on the left. It literally just pulls out, slot your SD card into place and put it back on. Then what you need to do is go back into your settings and go to format SD card, so you've got a nice, clean and fresh SD card ready to go. That now brings us onto the real world test, and as you can see from the driver's position, the N4 Pro is not massive, huge or bright, causing any kind of distraction. It's a nice, neat package. Moving on to what you actually capture via this system. As you can see, the front 4K camera is so bright and crystal clear, as well as the 1080p camera on the back does an incredible job. Plus, you've also got this onboard footage, and as you can see again, nice, crystal and clear. On the bottom left of the screen, you can see that you're capturing the date, the time, if you're heading north, south, east or west, plus your GPS coordinates and even your miles per hour. So if you were ever in an accident or an event happened, you're going to be able to know exactly where you were, the exact time, date and the miles per hour the instant happened. A big plus side as well, you're capturing on-board audio. This is an on-board audio test to give you an idea of what you'll hear via the onboard microphone as we're going down the road. So if somebody, for instance, was to come up and talk to you, say you'd been pulled over or you were involved in an accident and people were talking to you through the window of your car or inside your car, you'd hear all of this audio. I'm really impressed with the quality of these cameras. You're able to pick up signposts and number plates really clearly. And it's not just that, you've also got options to an app as well that you can download. What's really good, because it means that you can change settings, you can download files onto your phone, and you can also check to make sure that you're happy that your camera positions are all in the right place. As you can see with this app, you literally have access to everything that this camera has caught, and you can either decide to pick your front camera, your rear camera or your in-cab camera. And even if you want to, you could select all of the folders on there and download it directly to your phone. What I'm going to do now is let the camera talk for itself. I'm going to play some music so you can take in exactly the high quality images that this Nexus M4 is able to capture. Well, I'm sure that you'll agree. This is an awesome dash cam with great quality footage, and it just works every single time, and that is the one thing I love about the VANTRUE brand. It just works straight out of the box. Now, if you're interested in buying this, it's quite simple. Look down in the description, all of the links, everything that you need are down there, so you can get yourself one today. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if there's somebody that might be interested in it, share the video as well. Once you've got yours, please come back and leave a comment so everybody knows how good this camera is. And I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Take care, and bye-bye for now.